Hey guys, welcome back to Anushka's Chatter Corner. Today's topic is something every English learner struggles with translating every single word in your mind before speaking. You know that moment when someone asks, "What are you doing?" and your brain goes, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Mm, I am doing nothing. Yeah, we've all done that, right? And honestly, this one small habit, this translating in your mind thing, is what slows down your fluency. So today we'll talk about one simple idea. Stop translating in your mind. Once you understand how to do that, speaking English will feel natural, fast, and fun. Let's start. Step 1. What really happens when you translate? When you try to speak, your brain first thinks in Hindi. Then it looks for English words. And then you speak. That's like typing one message, deleting it, and typing it again in another language. Of course, it takes time. That's why you pause, forget, and lose confidence. But when you think directly in English, your brain skips the middle step. Everything flows naturally. So your first goal is train your brain to think English first. Step 2. Start with small thoughts. Don't start with big sentences. Start simple. When you wake up, say to yourself, I'm sleepy. I need my phone. I should brush my teeth. I'm hungry. Use small, easy lines. Each time you think these little thoughts in English, you're teaching your brain a new pattern, the pattern of thinking directly in English. Step 3. Talk to yourself. I know this sounds funny, but it really works. Talk to yourself in English. You don't need anyone else, just you. Say things like, I can't find my keys. This tea smells amazing. I'll wear this today. You don't need to be loud. Just whisper or think it in your head. It's the best free English practice ever. Step 4. Don't chase perfection. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Progress is. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. Even native speakers do. When you try to sound perfect, you pause and get stuck. When you relax and just speak, your words start to flow. So don't worry if your grammar isn't 100%. Fluency comes from confidence, not perfection. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. Make English a part of your daily world. Change your phone language, watch shows with subtitles, listen to songs, podcasts, anything you enjoy. When your brain hears English daily, it slowly starts to think in English too. Imagine being in a room full of perfume. After some time, you naturally start smelling like it. Same with English. The more you stay around it, the more it becomes a part of you. Step 6. Trust your brain. At first, your brain will resist. It'll say, wait, I need Hindi first. But keep going. Every small English thought is progress. One day, you'll realize you're not translating anymore. You're thinking in English. And that's the real victory. So, my chatter family, let's make a promise today. No more translating in our minds, okay? Let's start thinking in English one small thought at a time. If this episode helped you even a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. And next time, we'll talk about something really interesting. How to stop overthinking while speaking English. Till then, keep smiling, keep chattering,